Today on SETC we have the brand new My Little Pony Guardians of Harmony Spike the Dragon figure and also the Shining Armour figure. So let's take a look at the packaging first. So on Spike's packaging it says, "Big or small, he is a mighty friend." He comes with lights and sounds, he roars and his eyes light up. He also launches projectiles from his mouth. And this set also comes with a standard Spike figure. And here we have the Captain of the Royal Guard, Shining Armour. Whoa, he looks awesome. Okay, so the Spike the Dragon figure comes with this wearable badge. We have 3 of these green projectiles. And a standard Spike figure. Oh, he is so cute. So with this one, his head is poseable. You can move it side to side. Let's take a look at our big Spike the Dragon figure. Whoa, just look at the size of him. Okay, so let's start with his head. So as you can see, he's wearing a helmet, which you just pop on and off. So all you do to pop it back on is line the slots up and make sure his ears go through these holes at the side. And then push down. As you can see, Spike has his green eyes. He has a huge dragon's mouth, some teeth, there's some nice detail into his helmet, and we come down to his body section, and as you can see he's wearing some more armour here, which you can remove. You simply unclip both sides and it all just lifts off. And then we have his legs and his arms. And just look at the detail into his hands. So he has a lot of muscle details. He has scales. And to the front, underneath his armour, he has all the lines to his chest. To the bottom we have a speaker and an on and off switch. So to activate Spike's lights and sounds, all you do is make sure he's standing on a flat surface and push him forward. That is so cool! Now to insert one of the projectiles, you can see there's a little hole. Just insert it inside and close his mouth. And then he fires them out. Next we have the Captain of the Royal Guard, Shining Armour. And he looks awesome. So he comes with all of his armour, which easily removes. So he has his shield, his body piece, which is rubber and just clips into place. He has his helmet, which again is rubber. We have 3 holes, 1 for his horn and 2 to the side for his ears. And he also comes with a spear. So this figure comes with some good articulation. We have a ball jointed tail, so you can pose that in all directions. The back legs are jointed at the hips. The front legs have ball joints to the top and are also jointed at the lower section as well. His head moves side to side, and you can also move it from the neck up and down. So this figure is really nicely painted. You can see his cutie mark. His eyes are really nicely done. But my figure does have a few little yellow specks. Now I'm not too sure whether this is a manufacturing fault or what, but other than those, it's a really nicely detailed figure. This set also comes with a wearable badge. Okay, so as you may have noticed with Spike, we have these two footholes, and these are to add shining armour. So the bottom of his back feet have little holes. Simply pop them into place and position shining armour. And there we go. Oh my goodness, that looks awesome. And there we have our My Little Pony, Guardians of Harmony, Spike the Dragon and Shining Armour figures. Give us a big thumbs up if you like My Little Pony, and pop a comment below letting us know which of these figures was your favourite today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.